My name is Richard Dutton, and the name of the poem is My Car is Like a Woman. You need the right key to turn her on or off. The engine warms up and purrs. You have to know what buttons make her blink or honk, what buttons to cool her off or warm her up. Taking her convertible top off might not be automatic. You might have to work on it by hand. Accelerator. If you push too hard, you could spin your wheels. For me, I slowly advance from gear to gear. It won't work if you jump into fifth gear when standing still. Get her going too. You go further if you don't go too fast. Otherwise, you have an accident or some sort and you don't drive too long. If you go too long, she runs out of gas, just as I do. So get off the freeway where it says rest stop, and you both could fuel up. If you take good care of her, she lasts longer. If you give her TLC, she works better and looks better. Come to think of it, my wife has a car too, a newer model. I wonder how she would word it.